Sourcing titanium tubes with confidence. For procurement teams in aerospace, medical and energy sectors, titanium tubing is not just a material, it is a supply chain risk decision. We supply titanium tubes engineered for consistent quality, repeatability and long-term availability, supporting procurement managers who need reliability beyond price. What procurement teams value most? 1. Stable and traceable material supply. 2. Consistent mechanical properties across batches. 3. Tight OD tolerances and cleans internal surfaces. 4. Clear grade options GR. 1. GR 2 GR 5 TI6L4V. 5. Responsive technical and commercial communications. Common purchasing scenarios. 1. Approved supplier replacement or diversification. 2. Long-term framework agreements. 3. Custom tubing for heat exchangers, medical devices, or aerospace assemblies. If you are evaluating or qualifying a titanium tube supplier, we support sample orders, technical documentation, and fast quotation cycles. Official web www.westtitanium.com。
记得点赞关注哦。